I'm working with InDesign 6 on a PC, showing you how to do shapes, add text to them. Very, very basic stuff here. If I want to do a shape, I click on this toolbar at the far left. It looks like an oval. If I want to make a perfect circle or a square, hold down the Shift key. If I want to choose a color before I do it, you go down to this panel here. It shows this orange here. I double click on it. Let's say I want to make it purple. I could just say OK. Now I take my mouse, have the Shift key, drag, I've got it in here. I've got this very fancy border here. If I want to change the border here, it was on the stroke here, and what I did here, I made the weight here. I'm going to make it smaller now, like 7 point. I made it thinner. I can change the color if I want. Trying to keep this short and sweet to show you a few basics here. Let's say I want to put text in here. We all know the text tool. We have the shape selected, okay? Click on the T, click inside here. And now we could start typing our text. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to highlight this, make it a little bit bigger. I have Minion Pro here. I could go here, make it, let's say, 18. And then I could change the font here. We all know how to do that. When we go here, now I'm going to add another line. Do you see that little red thing right here? It means it doesn't fit. You've got two options. One is you can make this font smaller, or you can enlarge the thing. You're going to flow it. If I go into the corner here, you have that there. I've got that in there. So let's say I want the text centered. We're on this toolbar up here, and I'm going to find the center. It shows the shape here. So what I want to do here, I'm just going to go into the text tool. It has a different thing here. I go on the thing here. I want a little lower. I click here. Pull it down. So we've got that in there. Next thing I want to do, if I want to change the different type of the border here on here, I'm going to click on the move tool. I always go on that in between transactions here. I'm just going to move this around. Just put your mouse right on the border. Now I've moved it. I'm going to add another shape. Let's do a square this time. Rectangle tool. Let's say I want a different type of border. I can click here. I can do a lot of interesting things here. I will just do thick, thin here. And then I want to make it bigger. We have the 20 weight there. And I'm just going to put down the Shift key. We've got the shape. It picked up the color from before. I want to change the color inside here. We got this little thing here. I want to change the color. I go to blue. Other thing too, you're creating a shape here, and you want to save it to your palette. This is the last thing. I click in here. I go into here, and let's say I want this pale green here. You click on Add CMK Swatch. OK. So now if I go into here, and then I just scroll down here, oops, I'm on the wrong tool. You got to have the thing selected. I click over here. I click there. I have that. If I want to do the borders, I click on here. I can make that red. So you got the shape. You want to do the text. You click on the text tool.